Want to send money instantly using Zelle through your Wells Fargo app? Well, let's set it up. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device if you haven't installed it yet. Download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in with your Wells Fargo online username and password. If you don't have an online account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, tap on Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen. Select Zelle from the list of options. If you're enrolling for the first time, you'll be prompted to accept the Zelle transfer service. Addendum. Review and accept the terms. Next, you'll need to enroll an email address or a US mobile number. Choose the one you would like to use for sending and receiving money, and follow the prompts to verify it. After verification, link your eligible Wells Fargo checking or savings account to Zelle. Once everything is set up, you're ready to send and receive money instantly via Zelle. To send money, tap on Send Money via Zelle. Select a recipient from your contacts or add a new one. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. That's it. You're all set to use Zelle through your Wells Fargo app. If this video helped, tap like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on requesting money or using Zelle with your business account next. See you in the next video. Until